Hello? Ketu? Yes, at the house. You want to give me the money? I beg. Oh, thank God. God bless you, Ketu. I beg, bring the money. I need them. I broke, die. Hi, Ketu, I beg, come at the house, thank you. Hey. Kai. Might take this time, call this guy, oh money, you might just pay this money at once. Means not to worry me. My arrest. Sonije. Now wait till make I call you, no worry yourself. Just come and pay your money, make arrest. Hey, Basmento. This guy want to pay me this money. Ketu, I'm going to pay all my debt. Make arrest. Basmento. You were sending my call. You didn't speak English. Come collect your money, make arrest. Come at the house. Come collect your money, make arrest. My arrest, Joe. At the house. I had wait. Ketu, God bless you. Oh. You like money? That's not they owe you.
Where the money now?
No worry. That's where they owe me. They bring my money come.
I know that can play now. Where the money is?
Don't worry. That's they bring money come give me. I'll give you your money. You know they bring like this because of money. Sit down.
Man, look at me play today, yo.
You my friend now. Sit down. So you just sit down. Don't allow me to do it.
I don't want that one here today.
So you calm down. I'll give you your money today. You don't go past today. If this level students, I'll give you your money. That's small money. What owe you? Now you do face like say drug Johnny. Yeah.
I don't want that play today. Give me my money.
I'll give you. Basmento. You don't show. I'm going to pay the money. This can't laugh.
You owe another person say.
And that's small money.
You shouldn't be small money.
You can't be small money. Stop that rubbish.
See, Basmento.
Now my money I come here to collect.
I go give one of that money. That's where they owe me.
Call
They bring
her.
money.
No, they talk too much. Carry for call her. Make come.
They don't call me finish. Like person say call me. I never say you like money like this. This one already this my friend. So you won't keep me.
Okay, no worry. I'm not from worry. Stop her.
I go pay on that money. I go for that money. Here comes the money. Get you.
Don't tell.
No, I don't. No, I For today, the governor, in fact, the president will be.
Now, if I don't tell, that your money is now how much about it?
Oh, but you say, no, you don't forget. 10,020 naira. Yes. 10,020 naira, yes.
No, sir, this 218 now come. I not just want to owe people again. I don't tire to the owe. I could pay you now. Understand? So just owe this one.
I trust you.
Then how much?
10,020 naira.
Okay, go only 20 naira. Make it remain 10,000 now. I will pay you that one. Next thing. Take the 20 naira.
Thank you very much for watching that Love Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday, see you on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Share the video. Book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. Mind you, please this year, don't owe people's money. Try and redeem people's money. But let it not be 20 naira. Bye bye. You get one greedy man, no. You get one greedy